Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody? I am back, guys. I had to come back and show you guys another payment has come in. I mean, this system is on fire. So I had to come back and show you guys that this thing does work. All right, if you're here for the first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. But this is in reference to this program is on fire. It just launched not long ago, and I'm super excited about it, so I had to come back and show you guys. Digital Wealth Pros. Okay, so if you are a person that really don't like to talk to people, you don't want to have people to call you, you don't want to have to explain anything, okay, you just want to promote a program and let someone else close the sales for you, this is a perfect opportunity for you. You can make $200 commissions, $400 commissions, and soon to make $800 commissions. The countdown is on. It's 4 days for this. If you want to upgrade, get the upgrade, the free upgrade. If you come in at $497, the second level, the company is going to bump you up to that new $800 level that's going to be effective in 4 days, okay? 3 levels, $200 and $400, and $800 is coming. Right now, though, as of today, you can get started for $297, okay, and make $200 commissions over and over, or $497, okay, and make $400 and $200 commissions, okay, and then get bumped up to that next level. If you get in right now before that clock stops, okay? There is a clock. Let's look at it. There it is, okay? So you want to get in now before that ends. I want to say that's Sunday, so get in right away, okay? All right, guys, so if you're looking for something like this where you don't have to close your sales, this would be the opportunity to have a call center that's going to answer all the questions for your folks, okay? I'm going to put the link in the description. I just recently made a video on this. You can go check it out. But go to www.earnwithpandora.com. Go watch this video. As soon as you opt in, you're going to see the 6-minute video. This is what you need to watch. Get all the details. Watch it. Look over the website. Jot down your questions. Call the call center. They're going to answer all your questions. That's what I love about this system. They're going to answer your questions, okay? Here is the number, 800-232-2109. Give them my ID, 442-89634. They will get you started. Okay, the sooner the better you get in, especially if you want that free bump. Okay, guys? So let me show you this second payment that have come in. I literally just got in 24 hours ago, and I've got my second $400 sale. Okay, this thing is fire, I'm telling you. Get in, get in, get in. So let me show you this real quick, but go check this out, www.earnwithpandora.com. Watch the video, call the customer service line, the call center, and they'll get your questions answered. So let me show you this other payment that has come in, and you guys can get started. So hang on. Okay, if you look here, remember I signed up on the 22nd. Okay, I signed up on the 22nd, then I got my first sale also on the 22nd. 7 hours after I joined, I got my first $400 commissions, and this is the email you will receive after someone speaks to this, the call center, and they're going to get started. The call center, the company is going to send you this. Someone has a new team member sign up. Okay, that's the one from yesterday. I've only been in 24 hours, okay? Then this evening at 6:28, you see right here, another email came from the company. That's from the call center, okay? And then the payment came in, another $400, guys. You got to go check this out. Call 800-232-2109. Leave your name. If you don't get them, you may not get them because they're busy answering calls, right? So just leave a message. Leave them your name, your phone number, my name, and my referral ID, 442-89634. They will call you back. If you're ready to go ahead and sign up, I will leave them the message that, hey, I'm ready to get signed up today. Okay, just let them know that. Okay, so hang on, let me show you the payment. Okay, if you look right here, here is another payment, and the person put DWP there, so we know that's Digital Wealth Pros. Okay, guys, so this thing is fire. Get in now. Now, mind you, I'm saying get in now so that you can take advantage of that free bump up. Okay, they're gonna give you that free bump to the next level. If you can only do the $297, do the $297. You're able to make $200 commissions. Okay, but if you can do the $497, that's gonna give you that new level that's coming. So let me show you that again. Hang on a second. I'm in my dashboard, so I want you to see this. See, this clock is counting down. So let's go over it. Once again, the countdown for our new member level has begun. This new level will allow our members to make up to a whopping $800 commission per sale. Why is this information important? Because all new members that are at the $400 level, which is level 2, okay, membership by the launch, our new level will automatically be upgraded to our new $800 level. So see, I'll automatically be upgraded to that level because I'm at level 2, okay? The gold member. So, if you did not come in as the $400 level, this is what they're saying. Now is the time to upgrade to take advantage of this free upgrade. So that's why I'm saying, if you can, do this. I'd hate for you to miss the opportunity to save $500 because once it goes live in 4 days, that level is $997. Okay, so $197 will go to the company and $800 will go to the person you join, but you would be spending $500 more than you need to if you just come in at $497 today. Well, within 4 days, okay, within the time of this clock. All right, guys, so check it out, go look at it. Let me put my information back up on the screen so you can go watch that video. All right, so here it is again, 800-232-2109. Give them my reference ID number. Get signed up, 442-89634. This system comes with an autoresponder. It comes with all the capture pages. Okay, all you need to do is drive traffic to your capture pages. And when someone's interested, if they have questions, they're going to be calling the call center and not you, so that they can close them out. When they close them, they're going to send you that email that I showed you, right, saying you got a new sign up. And then you know money is on the way. All right, guys, so thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? So next time, you guys be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.